due to this encountered delay, no, on the delivery and printing, of course, the PSA has come up with this strategy to issue a printable and digital ID as a temporary replacement or alternative to the physical ID. So soon, the PSA will issue this printable and digital ID. Let's expect this will be fully implemented in the fourth quarter of this year. Of course, the registrant can temporarily use these versions while waiting for the delivery of the PhilID cards. These printable and digital versions of the PhilID also have the same features with the physical ID card.
Given the challenges we have, na we cannot use it yet kaya wala pa mamabot ilang mga physical ID, so we will be launching the release of the printable ID that is about 20 million, so that at any time pwede na nato magamit yun. But kanang 20 million nga printable ID wala pa nato nagibuhat. Soon we will be doing that. In fact, amo nang na-coordinate ang mga LGUs nga sooner or later will be printing plaza type na ang atong printing. And in fact, mobile. Kami na gyud moadto dito sa mga barangays kinsa tong na-isyuhan nag-ID sa una na-register na dayon didto na namo iprinta kay very critical pod ang printing.